Hi. Today we're going to read all about cloudy weather as part of our weather study. This story is called Cloudy and it's by Alice K. Flanagan. So this story talks about all different types of clouds and it talks about what they're made of and the different types of weather that you might see based on what the clouds look like. So let's see. Let's look at this picture right here. Look at this child. What is he or she doing? Yeah, the child is looking up at the clouds. Oh, and look at what the child is wearing. Yeah, a rain suit. It looks like maybe these clouds are going to bring some rain. Maybe we can look outside our window. I have a window right here next to me. If you look outside your window, maybe you could see what your clouds look like. And as you read, you can follow along and think about which clouds sound like the clouds that you see outside. Look at these clouds. It's kind of hard to see, I know, but my sky is all white right now. I don't see any blue skies at all. So take a minute to look outside your window and see what the clouds look like outside today. And if you watch this video on a different day, the clouds might look different. Maybe you won't even see any clouds in the sky. Maybe it'll be a completely blue, sunny day. I don't know. Take a look. All right, did you get a chance to take a look outside? Let's turn the page. Look up at the clouds in the sky. What sizes and shapes do you see? What do the clouds look like today outside your window? What shapes do you see? Maybe some of the clouds look like funny animals. Maybe you see a car or a boat in the clouds. Maybe you see shapes like a rectangle or an oval. Some clouds might be really big and some clouds might be very small. Maybe you'll see very thin clouds or very thick, billowy clouds. Look at these clouds. Small white clouds dot the sky above the field. I see a lot of the blue sky here. And look at these very small clouds. They're very thin. Ooh, this is a very long cloud. Beautiful day. There are several types of clouds, so many different types. Each type has its own shape, and some types of clouds are higher in the sky than others. Can you find the clouds in this picture? Yeah, there are some colorful clouds over here. Can you find some of the white clouds? Yeah, here they are. There's one, two. Ooh, these clouds down here, do you see how pretty they are? Look at all those colors. This is during a sunset. That's when the sun goes down at night. And then we'll start to see the moon. During the sunset, clouds can look very colorful. What colors do you see in these clouds? I see some pink, some yellow, some gray. You might even see maybe a little purple in there. A lot of different colors. Here it's a little more white. It is very pretty. I love a good sunset. Some clouds look like very big mountains in the sky. These clouds bring rain. Do you think there's going to be some rain today? Look outside. I don't know. These clouds also bring thunder and lightning. Can you find the lightning in this picture over here? Point to the lightning. Yeah, here's some lightning right here and more lightning over here. The tallest and biggest clouds bring thunder and lightning. What do the tallest and biggest clouds bring? Yeah, thunder and lightning. Nice job. You hear the boom, boom, boom from the thunder and the flashing lights from the lightning. Ooh, here's another type of clouds. These look different than before. See, we had these big mountains of clouds with the thunder and lightning. And now look at these clouds. They're really spread out across the sky. These clouds look like feathers or horses' tails. These clouds are usually high in the sky. Where do you find these types of clouds? Where do you find the clouds that look like feathers? That's right, you find them high up in the sky. Thin clouds sometimes look like feathers. Can you find the thin clouds? Touch them. Yeah, here they are. There are the thin clouds. Ooh, here's another type of cloud. These are really puffy and pretty. These clouds cover the sky like a blanket or like an ocean wave. They have curly tops, curly, and they make lots of different and really cool shapes. Ooh, I wonder what kind of shapes you see here. Do you see anything in the clouds? Sometimes it's fun just to look at the clouds. Maybe you can lie down on a nice day when it's warmer out and you can just look up and see what types of things you see in the clouds. You see animals in the clouds? Do you see shapes? Maybe something that looks like food? Who knows? The tops of these clouds can be seen from the top of an airplane. Wow. Have you ever been on an airplane? I have. I find it really cool. I open up the window and then I look outside and I see all the pretty clouds around me. Wow. Look at those billowy clouds. They cover the sky like blankets. What are clouds though? We talked about all of the different shapes and sizes, where the clouds are, but what are clouds? Maybe you remember from our story yesterday. Clouds are tiny drops of water in the air, and they come together. What are clouds? They're tiny drops of good water. Can you find the water in this picture? Point to water. Good. Here's the water, pretty blue water. That's the ocean. The clouds are forming over the Atlantic Ocean. Very pretty. Look at that nice day. Can't wait to go to the beach soon. Summer will be here before we know it. Sometimes those drops become too heavy and they can't stay in the air. Do you know what that causes? What happens when those drops fall and they can't stay in the air? Yeah, did you guess that it makes rain? You were right. Yeah, those drops fall as rain. And if the air is cold enough, those drops might even become snow. So the drops fall and we might get rain if it's warmer, or snow if it's really cold, if it's cold enough to get snow. Look at all of this rain falling. The rain from these clouds is falling over a forest. Can you find the picture of the rain? Touch the rain. Yep, here it is. We call this precipitation. That rain and snow, that's precipitation. Nice job. But not all clouds bring wet weather. There are also white, feathery clouds that do not bring rain or snow. Do the white, feathery clouds bring rain or snow? No, they do not. Dark clouds do bring rain and snow. So when we have the dark clouds, that's when we get rain and snow. Do you see dark clouds outside your window today? If so, we're probably going to get some rain and snow or snow. And maybe the clouds aren't dark now, but they can become dark later. Oh, I see a picture of storm clouds. Can you find the picture of storm clouds? Touch the picture. Yeah, here they are. Storm clouds can get very dark. Ooh, maybe you remember from our story yesterday, there are also kinds of wild weather. Remember we read about the wild weather and we looked at all the different pictures and we talked about some of the examples, different types of wild weather? Well, clouds can bring this dangerous wild weather. Remember we talked about some of those storms? You can have a tornado. Remember we talked about the spinning tornado or the hail, those big drops of ice that fall from the sky and they can hit you and they hurt. Ouch. Yeah, these are some of the different types of weather that the clouds can bring. And these kinds of weather can cause a lot of damage. They can cause a lot of problems. Sometimes that's damage to someone's house, maybe someone's vehicle, their cars, their trucks, their motorcycles. It can also cause damage to other buildings, maybe someone's place of work, a building for maybe a hospital or a store. Yep, that's what happens sometimes with this dangerous, this wild weather. Look at this tornado. It's coming down from a cloud and it's causing that spinning motion. Can you find the tornado? Good, here's the tornado. I've never seen a tornado in my life, only on TV. Ooh, look up at the sky again. Can you tell what type of weather the clouds will bring today? Look up at the sky. Then you can see later if your prediction was right, if your guess was right. Maybe if you guessed rain, you can see if it's going to rain later. I don't know. Look at these many types of clouds that can dot the sky. The end. Wow, let's click Finish Book. Yep. All right, thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun with you for science. I'll see you again next time. And I hope to see you at 1 p.m. for our social skills group with Ms. G, Ms. Decima, and with Ms. Michaela. All right, until then, bye friends.